This quick tutorial will show you the interface of XYZhomework.com. The first thing you'll see going into our class is there is a calendar here. This calendar will list the assignments that you need to be working on each night so you can keep track and stay on your pacing schedule. Now, be aware that it is okay if you don't do it exactly on this particular day. For example, here's homework 1.2. Let's say for some reason you didn't get a chance to work on it by then. That's okay. The idea is that you should pretty much be caught up every Sunday. As you scroll down, you'll notice that if you click on a particular day, let's say I click on the 8th, I can see right now that I should be working on homework 1.5. All of the pre-class work will eventually be listed on the calendar on the appropriate day. Let's click on the 2nd. You'll notice that the syllabus has a link and the pre-class work has a link. These will take you directly to the assignment. This is just a calendar notation letting you know that the homework 1.1 should be worked on that day. If I go to the 14th of January and click on it, you'll see 1.1 is listed again, letting you know that it is due no later than the 14th. You have a link directly to it, and there's the option to use a late pass if you are after that date. Going through XYZ, in your courses you'll usually start with Course Information and Management. This is where you'll want to start to check your syllabus, the late passes, how to use them. There's a section on using XYZ as far as entering your answers in the computer. There's also a video to help you with that information, as well as the ebook. There's also a note-taking and organization section. Gives you tips on taking notes and keeping organized in this course. Lets you know the quiz retake procedures and so forth. There's a Math Help for Students section where we're putting in as many things as we can to help you with your math course. So if you're on campus, for example, there will be places you can go to get help. There's a login e-tutoring. So there's an online e-tutoring program that you students can use for free. Once you get ready to do your lessons, you go down here. Here's Unit 1. As I click on it, here's Lesson 1.1. I have my reading and pre-class work. I have the actual assignment. There'll be extra videos put in as needed. Sometimes there'll be extra videos down here. When you click in your homework, this is what you're going to see. You simply click through the assignment. When you complete an assignment, or excuse me, complete a problem, you'll just hit submit. It'll let you know if you've made a mistake. You get up to 3 attempts. You'll be able to reattempt it if you need to. And you just make sure that you've completed every one of these problems. If you would like to print out, you can click print version. So you'll have a printed version of what's here, and then you could do them on paper and then type your answers back in. When it's time to take a quiz, since you'll be taking these at home, you'll be going into the quiz section. Let me scroll down here. And let's go ahead and bring up quiz 1. So if I bring up quiz 1, it'll let you know there's a 40-minute timer. It will ask you for a password, which you'll be given so you can work on it home, and then you just complete the quiz and hit submit. This is just a quick overview of some of the links in the program. If you have any more questions, of course, feel free to ask.